Is your Mac Mini screen going black every few minutes? This black screen issue usually happens because of loose cables, display settings, or software glitches. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the monitor blackout issue in a minute. So let's get started. Before we start, make sure the HDMI and USB-C cable is properly connected. Or try a different cable and a different monitor to rule out cable or display issues. Now try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Force restart. Press and hold the power button on the back of the Mac Mini. Wait for about 10 seconds until the device shuts off. After it shuts off, again, wait a few seconds and then press the power button again to restart. Solution 2. Reset SMC. So now unplug all the USB devices, external drives, or hubs of the Mac Mini from the power source. Wait 15 to 30 seconds, next, plug them back in. And now try pressing the power button again. Solution 3. Boot in safe mode. Turn off your Mac if you are unable to shut down due to some startup issues or phrasing issues. Then press and hold the power button for around 10 seconds. To power off, then wait for another 10 seconds. Now press and hold the power button until the startup disk and some options appear. Now release the power button, next select your startup disk. After that, press and hold the shift key. You will see a button called Continue in Safe Mode. Click on it, wait for a while, and you will see your login screen. After successfully doing it, you can see a red color safe boot text in the top right corner. Now log in to your accounts, and that's it. Solution 4. Boot into Mac OS recovery. Make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi network, and also you have to make sure either a Bluetooth or a wireless mouse and keyboard are connected to the device. So first, you need to shut down your Mac Mini, either from the menu, or if it's not responding or having some problems with it, just press and hold the power button under the Mac machine till the screen turns off. Now wait for 10 seconds, then again press and hold the same button. Don't release until you enter the recovery section. Now, as you can see from here, you can see two options. Here you can click on Options, then click on Continue. Here you might need to enter your lock screen password if it asks. Then you will see a bunch of other options appear, like Reinstall macOS, Restore from Time Machine, Safari, and use Disk Utility to repair/erase disks. Select Reinstall macOS and then follow the prompts to reinstall macOS. Hope your issue is fixed. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.